Hey, I'm National ERISA Disability Attorney Nancy Cavey. I want to welcome you to Wine and ERISA Law Wednesday. My two passions are representing ERISA disability policyholders and drinking wine. Every winery has a story and a lesson for an ERISA policyholder, so let's have some fun. Today I'm at Zealina Winery with my husband and the Cavey Law office dog Zane. I've got a heck of a story to tell you about Zealina. Your disability insurance claim is also a story that needs to be written in a way that follows the rules of your disability insurance policy. You've got the burden of proving you're entitled to your benefits. So before you stop work and apply for benefits or appeal a denial or a termination of your claim, there's some things you need to know. What's the definition of disability in your policy? What's the definition of occupation in your policy? What medical and vocational proof do you have to submit? Now, once you know what you have to prove, you've got to decide the story you're going to tell and how you're going to tell that story and get them to provide you your benefits. Now, once you know what you have to prove, the story you're going to tell, how you're going to tell it, you've got to find out somebody who should tell your story for you on your own behalf. Think about that. Well, let's think about what's the story of Z. The story starts with Giuseppe Massoni, who was a native of Carrara, Italy. He was a marble cutter, and he and his wife had a daughter. They were looking for a better life. In Northern California, there was the Italian-Swiss colony that was founded to help Italian immigrants succeed once they came to the country. The colony's founder bought over 160 acres and planted an extensive vineyard to make wine. The immigrants who joined the colony had to work 5 years before they were given an opportunity to buy the land. One of the founders was banker Andrea Sabaro, who was the founder of the Italian-American Bank. Now, Mazzoni and his family comes to the United States, and after 5 years, he's able to reunite his family. The family buys some land, grows their own grapes, and they made some wine for themselves before Prohibition, but then they stopped. 4 generations later, their family dream of commercially making wine has come true. My husband, who grew up in California, remembers ads for Italian-Swiss colony wines and visiting the Italian-Swiss colony. It was one of the most popular attractions in California. Now it's now owned by the Ernest and Julio Gallo wine family. What of the banker who helped set up the Italian-Swiss colony? The Italian banker goes on to join ultimately with the Bank of America. Wow, what a story. So what is your story? What is the story you're trying to tell the disability carrier? Is the disability carrier going to accept and pay your application? Are they going to overturn a wrongful claims denial or termination based on the appeal you filed? Look, wine isn't good to keep bottled up, and neither is your story. But you need an experienced ERISA disability attorney like Nancy Cavey, like an experienced winemaker, to make a great bottle of wine. Call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation and learn more about the Zealina Winery and your rights to getting the disability benefits you deserve.